Hello, my name is Quip McKee with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, here in Fort Worth, Texas. Now, before I get started with this Isuzu NPR HD, please like and share this video, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel as we update our inventory daily. Now, today I'm super excited to present to you the all-new 2021 Isuzu NPR HD gas crew cab paired with a 16-foot Vanscaper by Brown. Now, most of you may be very familiar with the Isuzu brand, being the king of the cab over for well over 35 years here in North America, boasting over a 75% market share in most all those years. Now, they do that with proven reliability and durability to get your people and your product from point A to point B. Now, the first thing you're going to notice about this truck is its cab over design. That literally means the cab's over the front axles or over the engine. That's going to give you a couple of really nice inherent qualities, such as maneuverability and visibility. For those of you going in the residential neighborhoods, most of you landscapers out there, that visibility and maneuverability is going to be key, especially in your cul-de-sac situations. Now, this particular model is going to be powered by the 6.6 V8 engine from Isuzu, as well as paired with an automatic Aisin transmission, which means it's a turnkey, put it in drive and go operation. Now, I did say this is proven, durable, and reliable. It will come back with a 5-year, 150,000-mile powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year, 30,000-mile oil change package, basically at no cost to you. Now, again, it will be an Isuzu NPR HD, which means it will have a 14,500 GVW, well below the CDL, while still giving you plenty of payload capacity to, again, get your people and your product from point A to point B. And again, it will be a crew cab, which means it will give you 7 persons legally. Now, I'll open the doors here, this really spacious cab. And the cameraman, take a really good look inside. Again, it'll be a 4-man bench back here, which means you have 4 seat belts. Again, legally, you can haul 7 people in this truck. Some really nice rugged floor mats here. So if you do track any kind of dirt and soot inside, you can easily take that out, clean that, and have your cab nice and clean. Again, durability and reliability. As well as some really nice key features or key access points here to the engine. So if for those of you that do your own maintenance, accessing the engine, even though it's not a full tilt cab design, it will be relatively easy to access some of those key components. Now, if we go to the front here, using the grab handles, getting in and out of this truck is extremely easy. It will open up to a 2-man bench with a 1-man captain seat, and it will come standard with the power locks, power windows, and this particular model will have power mirrors, which is a really nice option to have if you have multiple drivers in and out of this cab, so they can adjust the sight lines from the driver's seat and not have to manually do it outside the cab. AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth is going to be standard, as well as, of course, your AC. And again, it is a automatic transmission, so it's a turnkey, put it in drive and go operation. A multi-information dash display will give your driver some critical data points while still keeping his eyes to the front of the road. And again, that visibility out the front is just amazing. So again, it will have an 8-foot driver to ground visibility rating, which is far superior to its conventional competitors, which can boast up to a 16 to a 24-foot visibility rating. So you literally cut that visibility rating in half. Let's go ahead and take a look at the backside of this truck here. Now, if the cameraman take a really good look at the side here, we did go ahead and put on a toolbox, which is going to be nice if you want to go ahead and lock your tools up at night. It'll give a nice little storage unit for you. And I do want to point out too, as we go to the back here, a lot of people just see a 16-foot white box. But here in Industrial Power, we actually see the opportunity to turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars by literally making this a rolling billboard for your company. With a simple decal system or even a full customizable wrap that we can do here at a body shop, we can turn your fuel dollars into advertising dollars and make more profits for your company. I do also want to point out we are a full service warranty facility on not only just the chassis, but also the box. So if you hit those corner caps or you break that radius, we can replace that here in Industrial Power, being your one-stop shop for all of your truck needs. As we make our way to the back here, this really nice industrial power engineered dovetail ramp system here that we have developed for the last 6 years in this design, 10 years overall. We literally overbuild this for longevity of these ramps. So for those of you that bust those springs after one season or have that rut system that goes up, we have over-engineered these ramp system to give you 3, 4, even 5 seasons worth of usage before anything major happens to them. Again, it will be a 16-foot box, and we've gone ahead and make this kind of a blank canvas for you. So we've done the 3/4 inch plywood all the way around. So if you want to go ahead and hang those racks or put any kind of shelving system in here, you can safely do that by hanging them on the walls. And again, this is just a really nice blank canvas for all of your landscape needs. So I think we've done a really good job taking a look around this truck. If you have any specific questions, go to our website, iptruck.com, put an inquiry on this truck. One of our salespeople contact directly. Again, like and share this video, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, we're constantly updating our inventory daily. Thank you and have a great day.